This repository has a comprehensive natural language processing system focused on binary classification problem of distinguishing between sports and medical textual content. The framework implements a complete machine learning pipeline encompassing corpus management, feature extraction, classification, algorithm deployment, and performance analytics. So the data engineering tools we will be using right here is Pandas, NumPy, and the machine learning ecosystem is gonna be with scikit-learn, TF-IDF vectorizer, pipeline, validation framework, and metrics module. So when we come to the algorithmic implementations, we are going to use logistic regression, multinomial naive Bayes, and random forest, including support vector classification. For visualization, Matplotlib and Seaver are going to do the work. For training, we are going to take 20 news groups dataset. It is going to be supervised. And for medical, we're going to take side.med. Technical implementation details when we go. The text processing methodology is going to be like this. We will do programmatic dataset retrieval through scikit-learn interfaces. And then we'll do lexical pre-processing, which is normalizing via case folding, dimensionality reduction through stopword elimination, vocabulary pruning based on document frequency threshold, and in feature engineering, we are going to do term frequency inverse, document frequency transformation. Feature space limitation is going to be 5000 dimensions, and sparse matrix representation for memory efficiency. And the algorithmic training protocol is gonna follow data segmentation, which basically does stratified partitioning with 80% allocation to training, and model validation, in which k-fold cross validation for variance reduction. In this case, we are going to set k as 5. Algorithmic evaluation, it basically compares multiple classification paradigms to actually check which one is the best. And parameter configuration, which is a manual hyperparameter specification based on empirical performance. And at last, it's model finalization. Algorithm training, basically we will train each and every algorithm, and then we'll train it on complete training subset. Then comes the quantitative evaluation framework, and we're going to take accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score for performance metrics. And error visualization is going to have matrix representation of prediction error categories, and feature inspection is going to have cohesion analysis for important lexical indicators. Now we have 4 to 5 layers, in which the first is the data processing layer, which manages input and output transformation. Then we have feature extraction layer, which handles dimensionality reduction and vector representation. Then we have model management layer, which encapsulates algorithm selection and parameter tuning. Then we have evaluation framework. It implements comparative assessment methodologies. And we have inference engine, which provides classification capabilities for unseen instances. So the empirical results are going to be classification. Empirical results, what we got is 95% of accuracy on held out test data. And then we have algorithm efficacy, which uses linear models like logistic regression and support vector machine, which demonstrates superior performance. And discriminative features may we have sports categories and medical categories. So the future implementations we can have is language model LLM integration, which basically we have many LLMs in market which we can use. We can incorporate it for contextual embedding architectures. Optimization framework is one of another future implementations, in which we will integrate, instead of manual hyperparameter optimization, we will do automated hyperparameter optimization. And then there's classification scope expansion. This is the extension to multi-class classification models. We can also deploy and make an API and use it as SaaS. Construction of programmatic interfaces for system integration. We can integrate it in different systems so that the data, now it's given, but we can use live data set. And then there's enhanced NLP capabilities, which has addition of complementary text analysis functionalities. So thank you.